Meron tayong yellow. Gikan sa mong garden. Super. Okay. Kapag lagay na tayo ng sunscreen, aray ko, ano pa yan? Kaya medyo maputi na yung mukha natin. So, magtatapon tayo ng mga basura today. Ito yung mga basura. And then, isi-segregate natin yung mga yan. Okay. Good morning. Harvest time. Yeah, you're so pretty. My string sito are very pretty. Nakapag-harvest na ako kahapon ng isang pumpon na sitaw. And then mag-harvest na naman tayo today. Mangha pa tayo dito. Kahapon nakakuha na ako. I think marami na naman siya, day. May talong here. Yung talong ko sa tent ang papangit. Sila dito ang ganda. We'll see kung lalaki pa to. Magugulay ako mamayang gabi. Paprika, bell pepper. Kunin na rin natin tong mga okra ko day while it's still young. Kasi nga pag nakalimutan ko to, lulutuin ko na lang din to mamayang gabi, panghapunan namin. Alam niyo bang paborito to ng asawa ko yung mga gantong gulay. Next time na ako magbibigay sa mga friend ko pag madami na. Ano na yan dyan. Meron pa yung isa dito. Ito yung mga masasarap, yung maliliit. Diba? Meron din akong tanglad dyan dayo. Yay! Ito yung mga masasarap eh. Yung maliliit. Cutie! Cute! Yay! May okra na tayo. Meron pa ako dun sa fridge. Ibo-boiled lang natin yan. Mamayang gabi, andin ito. Adobo natin. Okay. Let's go. Init. Kangkong ko. May bago na naman tayong tubo. Yay! Finished product. Ooh. Pipino, carrots, bell pepper, onion, dawas cukier, tak?
Cukier, olej, ocet.
Oil, suka, sugar,
Pepper.
and pepper. Powder pepper. Pepper powder.
Później damy wodę. Wiesz, kochanku?
And gamay na boiling water. And then-
Tą wodę tu. Wiesz?
Dili day dira day.
Tak, weźmiesz kochankę i tak.
O.
Żeby była woda.
And then ready. Wow. Mana diri day. Gikan sa mong garden. Super. Punta tayo ng garden. Kuha tayo ng cucumber for salad na naman para sa lunch. Ang init day. This one likes like Filipino bhaji ba, like opo. It's very big and it's old. It's not tasty anymore. Shock. It's very big the bra. Two. And it's old. Let's put it. It's very heavy for now. 3. 2. Masaka. Oh. Okay. Still eh? We have a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, Ide. Only. Come and they will go. When the rain washes it, you'll know. Oh, you'll know. Yeah, tuta is very big. Onion. Woo! Super, patch. It's very big. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. This is red. Small pa man hanggang ang uban. Lovers. So this. Only in love and you will go. So this. Kuya wa ni oy tanawar good. Why it's like this? It's onion, tak? Co? To nie cebula?
Cebula, ale to jest taka inna.
A to jest dobre?
Bardzo dobra, najlepsza.
Teraz jest mogę?
No.
Dobra. Okay. Ała! Ła? This is a nice flower. This is a nice flower. Gonna bring that. Oh, thunder happens every day. Oh, flowers only. Love you in the play. Say I want Oh, it's very big white onion. Touch. Oh, there's one here. Taki. Lahat yan dyan, oh. May mga onion. Natabunan lang ng mga dahon. Until dun. Dun pa sa gilid. Dun. Yay! There's a pula. Pulang ibang klase. Alam niyo ba mas mahal ang pulang sibuyas dito kaysa sa puti. Yay! It's very big. Isang dangkal. Oh, thunder only. At di na ginagamit dito yung mga leeks. Tinatapon na lang yan. Meron tayong yellow. And then meron tayong yung normal. And this is shallot ka? Shallot ka. Isa daw sa mga pinakamahal na onion dito sa Europe. Oh, may puti din tayo, day. Oh, sarap ng hangin. Yung pinakamasarap sa pagtatanim is yung harvesting time na talaga, day. Tapos na kami sa puti, sa yellow, at saka sa shallot ka. Dito na naman tayo sa normal na onion. Yung onion na meron sa atin, pero yung dito malalaki. Alam mo nyo, nag-enjoy talaga ako dito. So, ganyan. Linisin muna natin. Hanggang dun to sa dulo. Ito maliit siya, oh. Sira. Yan. Yan. So, ano to, pang hanggang sa maubos to namin, ha. Hindi to namin binibenta. Pang ano lang yan, pang winter na konsumo. Ibang saya. It's very big. I'm not yet done. There's still some left here. There's a lot. Yes, too. There's still a lot. Tam nie ma, tutaj jest. Dalej. No. No patrz tutaj. No. There's still a lot of bread here. Stula. You know? Lucky. Oh, thunder only happens when the... Woo! So? Schlief ka? Players only love you. You playing. Well, natin. Together with this. This the same tack?
Biała, żółta, czerwona,
Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Women are players, only love you when they're playing. Say women, oh, come on, baby. Oh. Yay! When it's rain, you know you wash. You will know. So is Czerwone, to jest szarlotka. Mamy jest żółte i białe. Super.
jest na dole tam.
To dobra. Tu szarlotka tutaj. I will separate it. Shallot is, ito yung ganito, yung forma niya. Isa sa mga pinakamahal na onion dito sa Europa. This jute, yellow. Ito din yung white. Ito na yung white. Players only love you when they're playing. Ay, we only have few white stack. Dużo jest żółte i czerwone. Nie. Szarlotka mamy dużo. Mas madami ang szarlotka dahil kaysa sa white. Kunti lang yung white dye. This is all. Ito lang yung puti. Kunti lang talaga siya. Ito lang. Charlotte guys. There's a lot. Dami mo. May pa flower oh. Flower ng sebola. Ito yung flower ng sebola. Cute. Oh, meron pang isa. Ito ba? Okay. Lehan said it looks like, are we gonna sell it? There's a lot. This one, oh, the red one. I like the red one. Okay, siya may. And then put it in the under the sun. Dlaczego?
Żeby się dry,
Aha.
żeby się nie zepsuje.
Para hindi daw masera. Super! Bilad mo na sila sa araw para hindi masira. Bago store doon sa basement. Oh!